This is P butterfly.
And we are the
Butterfly channel for board game. Okay, today what are we showing? What are we doing today? Let's show everybody these pieces. Today we will show you the new game called Rummikub. Okay, so let's explain how this game works. Can you explain? P butterfly?
Yes.
Yes. Now.
So.
What do we do first?
There's a run and a group. So, for example, like this. This is a what is it?
It's called a group.
Yes.
Because let's show this one. So because this is 3 threes, and they're all threes but different color, right?
Yes, that's the group.
That's the group. Okay.
That's
what?
A group.
How do you do a run? Okay,
A
let
run.
me see if I can run. Okay, I've got one. Okay, let's show this one. 4, 5, 6. What colors are they? Hey P, what colors are they?
All black.
Okay, so why is that a run?
Because look, 4, 5, 6. That means like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. So, but like it's kind of like a run, like counting.
Okay,
But
so
3 or 4, not 2, not 1. So just tell you guys, this is a run, okay?
alright, so they know what a run and a group is. So can we start playing?
Yes.
Okay, let's start playing.
And who wins gets M&M's.
Wow. Great. Okay, but you haven't won yet. No M&M's for you. Okay, so let's start. So how do we start? You want to start, P?
Yes.
Why don't you start and put your cards out here?
I've got a group. How about you, JJ?
Hey, PP.
Huh?
Actually, I'll call you PP now since you call me JJ. Then it's fair. Okay, well, we have to show our cards, okay?
I got a group. 3, 10. Your turn.
Okay. So that's a group. Let me see. So what can I do with the group?
You can add it. You can add 1 10. The black 10.
But I have no tens. Look, I have no tens. So what do I do?
Maybe you can add. Me, look. 4, 5, 6. You put these 3.
Okay, instead of adding to it, maybe what I can do is I can create a new run. Okay,
Yes.
Here's my new run. 4, 5, and 6.
Oh! 4, 5, 6.
There we
I
go.
got 1, 7.
Okay, wow, you just added to the new, you just added to my run. Right there. Okay, let me see. Okay, now I don't think I have anything to put out there. What do I do?
You can get 1 of these.
Get 1 card?
Yes.
Anyone?
Yes.
Can I do like this? Oh, no. No. Can I do like this?
No.
So what do I do?
You have to like close your eyes and get 1.
Oh, I'll just close my. Okay, I'm gonna close my. I'm gonna draw 1. I think it's an 8. Let's see. Oh, close. It's not an 8. Your turn now, right?
My turn. Yes.
Well, because you see, I didn't get.
Ta-da!
I couldn't add to the set. So what happened is I will draw a card, and I will lose my chance to play. Now, what do you got?
A group, a new free group.
Okay, look, because the camera cannot see you this time.
I
Okay,
can only have 7.
don't put anything here. Have you been secretly snacking on the M&Ms? Ah, what color did you have? What color did you have? I can smell it. You know what? That's not really fair. But let's move on. Okay, so you have a new set of what? What is this?
Group.
A group of 3s. Okay, let me see if I have 3s. No 3s. Okay. Okay, you know what? How about I do this one? Can I do this group?
No.
Like that? Why is that?
Because there's 2 black and 1 blue, so cannot.
Okay, so I need what? 3 different colors? Alright, that's really cool. Now, if that's the case, can I do 3 7s like this? How about that?
No. There are only 2 blue, so you cannot do this.
Okay, I've got an idea. How about this one? Let me break this apart. I'll take this black 7 so they can see, right? And then I can put my blue 7 and my yellow 7 to make a new, what is that?
No, but I don't want to put it.
No, you see the rule is I can break it apart. So I'm making a new group. Okay, your turn.
Since that's the way it is. It's okay, I can put this back.
Wow, you just broke it up again. So can you tell me what that is?
Group.
It's a new group of 4?
Yes.
But what do we need here? We're missing a card. Do you have something to put back here?
It's okay. Maybe I know.
So let me explain. So normally what happens is if you break something apart and then you have to replace it with something else. For example, you can take the black 7 black here, but you need something here too. But for illustration purpose, now you get the idea, right? You can break things apart and then you can recombine the cards to make new combination. Okay, so is it my turn now?
Yes.
All right. Look, I'm gonna show you something really cool. Watch this. Just watch. I have a new groove. Ta-da!
Just watch it. Ah, sorry.
I have a new group. Did you see my new group? Hey, are you playing hide and seek? Where are you? P?
No.
Oh, P. Hey, P. Hey. Let's go back to our game now. All right.
Boop boop.
Okay, so.
Beep beep.
Okay, I think it's the end of the show now. So let's say goodbye to our audience.
No, let's finish.
So please go to the shop and buy this board game called
Monster.
Rummikub.